Alright, I just want to make a video showing how to deal with this piece seizing up. A lot of people talked about kind of cleaning the hair out of the end caps of the brush of the power tool, and I found that that wasn't working, but I think I found the issue, so I'm going to go through disassembling this and showing you the cleaning. So first, on this end with the 5-2, there's a little rubber piece here that you can kind of slide off the end. It's seated in the pin. And then you can slide that off. You can't slide this metal piece off, and I think that's where the issue is. You can see some hair sticking out of there. I pulled this off with this whole thing out with a plier, but I think the best way to do it is just to press down, and that center pin comes all the way through, and then you can slide that down. And as you can see in there, there's quite a bit of hair. This piece wasn't spinning freely, and it was like making it so the whole wheel had too much friction and the belt couldn't turn the brush. So I'm going to take a second and clean that stuff out, and I'll reassemble and give an update. Push it back through. Could use a little more. Seems fine. I'll stick that on. So this time I'm doing 5-2, 6-1, and we'll see what happens. That makes sense logically now, the way that the blades are facing. And it's spinning freely. Get the belt around there.